What if every night you went to sleep and your bank balance grew while you dreamed? This isn't fantasy, it's financial freedom through passive income. In this video, I'll reveal 10 real, proven ways to make money in your sleep in 2025 ideas that have already transformed ordinary people into self-made millionaires. Please don't forget to subscribe. 1. YouTube automation channels. Start a faceless YouTube channel. No camera, no studio. Just scripts, voiceovers, and stock clips. Once monetized, your videos worked non-stop, generating ad revenue even while you rest. Educational, motivational, or financial niches perform best. 2. Digital products, ebooks, courses, and templates. Create once, sell forever. Whether it's an ebook, course, or digital planner, these products can bring in daily income without extra work. Platforms like Amazon, KDP, and other teachable platforms make it simple. Search for those platforms and move on. 3. Dividend stock investing. Buy shares from companies that reward you for holding their stock. Dividends are small payments made to investors. Imagine earning just for owning a part of the world's biggest businesses. Buy stocks in companies that pay you just for owning them. Dividends are like monthly thank you checks from the world's biggest brands, Coca-Cola, Apple, and more. Reinvest those dividends and your money compounds while you sleep. 4. Real estate and REITs. You don't need to own dozens of buildings. Even one rental property can build long-term wealth. Or go digital. Invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, to earn passive property income without managing tenants. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products using your unique link. Example, Amazon, Seller, and other social media platforms. Every time someone buys through it, you earn. The best part? Once your content ranks or goes viral, you can make commissions 24/7, even years later. 6. Create a money-making blog. Blogging isn't dead, it's smarter. Write content people search for, monetize with ads and affiliate links, and let your posts earn daily. Google traffic means readers, and readers mean income, even while you're away. 7. Sell your photos, music, or designs online. Every picture, beat, or design you upload can be sold hundreds of times. You can use platform like Canva, which is free. Create your design. Use LinkedIn and upload your photos, beats, or designs to platforms like Shutterstock or Etsy, and earn royalties every time someone buys or downloads your work. Turn creativity into cash. Upload once, earn forever. Great for photographers, artists, or producers looking for recurring income. 8. Build a mobile app or software. Tool apps never sleep, and neither does their income. From simple tools to subscription-based services, apps can generate thousands monthly. Use AI-assisted builders if you're not a coder. 9. Invest in index funds or ETFs. Index funds quietly multiply your money over time. You don't need to pick stocks. Just invest consistently and let compound interest handle the rest. It's the safest, sleep-friendly income source. 10. Build a subscription community or newsletter. People crave value and belonging. Offer exclusive mentorship, financial tips, or inspiration through a paid community or newsletter. Subscribers pay monthly. You deliver value once, and your community scales itself. Passive income is more than money. It's time freedom. You don't need $1 million to start. You just need a vision, consistency, and courage to take the first step. Because while others sleep, the ones who act today will wake up rich tomorrow. Comment below. Which of these 10 income streams are you starting in 2025? Subscribe for weekly videos that teach financial freedom, entrepreneurship, and wealth creation. Turn on notifications because your journey to making money in your sleep starts now.